Run OpenAI Codex completely for free with Ollama. Your data remains private on your computer and you don't need to pay for Codex. You can use both in the app and Codex CLI. And I'm going to take you through step by step how you can set up Ollama with Codex and run it completely for free locally on your computer. I'll provide all the commands in the description below. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Just recently, Ollama is supporting Codex app in the latest version. And to get started is very easy. Just run this one line of command. Using that, you can visually edit a website like this, choose the element and edit. Review code inside Codex. So as a first step, we need to download Ollama. Ollama is a popular tool to run large language model locally on your computer. So it supports multiple models. In our case, we are going to use Gemma 4, one of the latest model from Google with 8 million downloads. And I'm going to use this Edge version. To download it, you need to run Ollama, run Gemma 4 E2B. But there are some requirements to run this. First, make sure you've downloaded Ollama by running this command. So I'm going to copy this command first. In your computer, open the terminal. It looks like this. And then paste the command which you just copied. And that is going to install Ollama automatically in your computer. Now Ollama got installed. Next, I need to type Ollama run Gemma 4 E2B. That will automatically download the Gemma 4 model. And now it got downloaded. Now for testing purpose, I can just ask any question and it's going to generate the response. And this is fast as well. I'm using Mac Studio, 32 GB of memory, and you can see the performance. For Mac OS, you can also download the Mac app directly from clicking this icon. Now I'm going to exit the terminal by \exit to exit and clear to clear the screen. Next, I need to install Codex CLI. To do that, I need to copy this command and paste it here. Now Codex CLI got installed. Next, I just need to type Ollama launch Codex. So copying that and pasting that here. And that will ask me if I want to use any of these models. So cloud version means you need to pay Ollama. But for us, I want to run it locally and all the data need to be private. So I'm using the locally downloaded Gemma 4 version and clicking enter. And you can see the model chosen is Gemma 4 and I've got it ready. Now I'm going to ask a question. Tell me what this folder contains. I can even ask it to build any application. You can see it's processing the request. That is really nice. This is app.py file. I'm going to ask it to convert this to a class. Let's see if it's going to work. Convert app.py to a class. It came up with an error that it's not able to read the app.py file. I'm going to do one more thing. Change the model to Gemma 4, the default version. So if you go Gemma 4, you got multiple versions here. Gemma 4, the latest, that's the default version. I'm using a smaller version. Maybe that could be the reason it wasn't able to perform the task. So I'm going to change it to Gemma 4. Just type \model and then Gemma 4 latest. So that's the one which I downloaded earlier. So I'm choosing that. Even if you want to download Ollama run Gemma 4, and that will automatically download the Gemma 4 version. That is the default version. So let's see if that is going to work. I'm going to say convert app.py to a class. Now it says updated app.py. Let's open and see. It gave me the code and asking me to copy and paste that in the file because it failed editing it. So for some basic models such as Gemma, you can do only basic stuff, not refactoring the code. So it's worth trying larger version and that should generally work. One more thing I want you to try is Codex app, Ollama in Codex app. So download the Codex app. After you download, same from your terminal, Ollama launch Codex app and then click enter. That will ask you to choose the model. I'm going to use Gemma 4, restart Codex to use Ollama, yes. And here is Codex app and that is using Ollama. As simple as that. One more thing to note is that the recommended context window token is 64,000 tokens. So this you need to configure in Ollama. So go to Ollama settings. There you should have that context length option. So here I'm choosing 64,000. So you might need to configure this for this to work. Also, the larger your computer, you can run a larger model. That will make it to work. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Ollama, I also created another video on how to set up OpenClaw locally using Ollama. I'll put the link in here and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.